How good are your managers at delivering constructive feedback? I've learned in coaching over the years that most managers and leaders don't do a great job of delivering constructive feedback, and I would include myself in that group. One of the wonderful opportunities out there to help leaders grow is to help them learn how to deliver constructive feedback, because that is the nature of effective leadership and growth, is for leaders to be able to convey and relay areas in which their direct reports, their peers, and perhaps even their boss need to recognize where they can grow or do better. Should you want your leaders or your managers to learn how to give constructive feedback more effectively, we have a wonderful tool called WorkSmart that we would be more than happy to get you introduced to, where leaders can learn a simple model in a short period of time that they can revisit again and again and create simple action plans in order to give constructive feedback. It's better than anything I've ever seen in the market for simplified learning that's also effective, and it confronts and addresses this immediate need for managers. Should you want to learn more, check out the link below or contact us anytime. And until next time, keep learning and growing.